guys, as I'm busy with other science experiments today, Priya will teach you Python programming.
In the last episode, you would have learned about how to use type function to find the type of data, and also you would have learned about if loop, if else loop, and also for loop. In this episode, we are going to learn about how to use while loop and also the collection data types, which are list, set, tuples, and dictionaries. Let's get started. Okay, let's assign an I value as 1, and inside the while loop, you need to give the condition, and let's print the I value. And every time the loop continues, it's going to be incremented. The I value will be incremented. So whenever the condition is true, it's going to print and also increment it with I equal to I plus 1. When the condition becomes false, it's going to come out of the loop. This is how you use a while loop. So let's see another example for a while loop. Let's say I is equal to 10 and while I. So in the last example, we have used a great less than symbol. So we can also use greater than. We're going to print the I value, and we're going to decrement the I value by 1 every time the loop continues. So as you can see, while I greater than or equal to 1, it's going to print the I and also decrement it by 1. So when the condition turns false, it will come out of the loop and will stop printing and decrementing. So let's see how to swap two variable values in a single sentence, single code line. For example, if Virat and Smith has scored 50 and 100 runs respectively, and we are going to see. So let's see what are their values before swapping. So in a single statement, we are going to swap the values of Virat and Smith. So let's print the values after swapping. So before swapping, it is 50 and 100 scores. And in a single statement, we have swapped for Virat and Smith. So now after swapping, it has turned to 100. Virat's value is 100, whereas Smith's value is 50. So this is how we can able to swap the values of the variables in a single statement. So let's see the collection data types. First, we are going to see tuple. So tuple is used to store multiple values or items in a single variable. So here we have a variable type tuple1. Tuples are declared using these brackets, which are round brackets. And we have 3 values. Let's print this tuple. Let's also see what is this variables type. So as you can see, this is how you can print a tuple, and also it belongs to the type or class tuple. So tuples are basically organized, but it can't be changed. Tuples are basically unchangeable, and tuples allow duplicate values as well. So let's see what is set. Sets are also similar to tuple. We can able to store multiple items in a single variable. We need to use curly brackets for set 1 comma 2 comma 3. And also let's print this set 1, and wow, let's print the type of this set. Set is basically unorganized and unindexed, but it doesn't allow duplicate values. So as you can see, this is how you can print a set and also The type of a set is of the class set. Okay, let's see about list. List are declared with square brackets. Let's print the list. And also, if you want to print the type of the list one variable. So this is of the class list. So lists are ordered, and we can able to change the values in the list. It also allows duplicate values. So let's see about dictionaries. Dictionaries are used to store multiple key value pairs and also declared using curly brackets. For example, let's say there is an employee number one and employee name. So this is how you declare a dictionary. So which has a key value pairs here, employee number and employee name or keys, whereas one and Bob or values. So you can add as many key value pairs with a with separating with a comma. So let's print the dictionary and also the type of the dictionary. So as you can see, this is how you can display the dictionary and also the class, sorry, the type. So basically dictionaries are unordered, and we can able to change the dictionary values, and it doesn't allow duplicate values. So let's see some of the list methods. For example, if we have a list 1, 2, 3. So as you know, the lists are declared with the square brackets, and the index, the first index starts from 0. If you can print. So this says value 1 has the index is at index 0. So let's reverse this list using a reverse function. So let's see what is in the list before reversing. And we are going to reverse it using reverse function. Let's print what is after reversing. So initially we have declared 1, 2, 3 and used the reverse method of the list, and it has reversed from the last item to the first item. So as you can see, it has displayed 3, 2, 1. We can also remove a particular item in the list, which is let's say the list has 3 items, and let's print. How the list looks like. Now you can use the remove function, so where you need to pass the list as well as the index in which the number to be removed. For example, if I want to remove 2, then you need to pass 1, which is the index of 2. Let's print. Let's see how the list looks like after removing it. Okay. So before removing, we had 3 items in the list, 1, 2, and 3. I wanted to remove 2. That's why I have passed list 1 of the index 1, which is the index of 2. So using the remove method, we can able to remove a particular item in the list. So this has printed the list after removing a particular item. So now we have 1, 3. So let's see how to reverse a string. There is no inbuilt function in Python to reverse a string, but we can use slice to move it backwards with -1. For example, layer taro, and We can use slice and -1 for stepping backwards from end of the string to the beginning of the string. Let's print player. So this one has reversed the string Tarif to Pirat.